Picture the serene beauty of the Salish Sea, a network of coastal waterways that stretches from British Columbia to Washington State, a place of tranquility until a chilling discovery disrupts the peace. The Salish Sea, a gem of the Pacific Northwest, is nestled between the craggy coastlines of British Columbia and Washington State. Its placid waters, teeming with marine life, are framed by lush forested islands and snow-capped mountains. An idyllic setting that paints a picture of tranquility and harmony with nature. Yet, beneath this peaceful facade, an eerie phenomenon lurks, casting a shadow over the serene landscape. It began subtly, almost imperceptibly. A lone shoe washed ashore, nestled among the driftwood and pebbles. A seemingly mundane occurrence, easily dismissed as the random discard of a careless beachgoer. But then another appeared, and another. Each shoe bearing a chilling commonality: they were not empty. Within each, encased as if in its own macabre display, was a human foot. The first few discoveries sent ripples of shock and confusion through coastal communities. The local authorities were baffled, their initial investigations yielding more questions than answers. The media caught wind of the story, and soon the world was watching, entranced by the unfolding mystery. Who did these feet belong to? How did they end up here? And perhaps most unsettling, why were there so many? As more feet washed ashore, the mystery deepened. The tranquil beauty of the Salish Sea had been disrupted, replaced with a sense of unease that clung to the coastlines like the ever-present Pacific fog. The sea, once a source of solace and leisure for the local communities, had become a grim reminder of the unknown. This was just the beginning of a mystery that would capture the world's attention. The Salish Sea feet phenomenon had transformed the tranquil coastline into a stage for one of the most captivating unsolved mysteries of our time. But as we delve deeper into this enigma, it becomes clear that the truth may be stranger than we could ever imagine. The first foot was found in 2007, a solitary discovery that soon became a series of macabre findings. Imagine it's August 27, 2007. A girl on Jedediah Island in British Columbia stumbles upon a spectacle that sets the stage for an enduring mystery. She finds a man's right foot, size 12, snug within a shoe, the first of many to wash ashore the Salish Sea. As the year turned, the mystery didn't cease. Another foot, again a right one and encased in a man's running shoe, was found on Gabriola Island in February 2008. By now, the intrigue was mounting. 2 solitary feet, no bodies, no clues. The summer of the same year brought more eerie findings. 2 more right feet, both clad in sneakers, were found. One in June on Valdez Island, another in August on a beach near Pisht, Washington. The latter marked the first discovery outside of British Columbia. But the year wasn't done with its revelations. In November, the first left foot washed ashore on the Fraser River. Unlike the others, this one was bare and decomposed, adding another layer to the growing enigma. Over the years, the count continued to climb. By 2019, a total of 21 feet had been found. The most recent discovery was made in January 2019 on the shoreline of Everett, Washington. It was another right foot, adding to the tally and the mystery. Curiously, the feet primarily belonged to men and were predominantly right feet. Each one was found encased in a shoe, often a running sneaker, adding another grim consistency to the unsettling phenomenon. Each foot found was a piece of a puzzle that refused to fit together, a chilling reminder of the unknown. With each new discovery, the mystery deepened, and theories began to swirl. And so, our timeline of terror unfolded, a series of discoveries, each as inexplicable as the last, painting a haunting picture of the Salish Sea. But what could be the cause of this peculiar pattern? As we delve deeper, we'll explore the theories and speculations that have surfaced in an attempt to solve this cryptic conundrum. From natural accidents to criminal activities, the origin of the Salish Sea feat became a hotbed of speculation. A cornucopia of theories emerged, each more intriguing than the last. Many experts believe that the phenomenon is simply a morbid byproduct of natural accidents. They argue that bodies of drowned victims often disintegrate over time, with the buoyant, shoe-encased feet eventually separating and floating ashore. This theory is bolstered by the fact that many of the shoes found were manufactured before 2007, suggesting that the feet could have been adrift for several years before discovery. Then there are those who propose a darker explanation. Some suggest that the feet are remnants of victims of foul play, washed ashore after being discarded in the sea. This theory is fueled by the chilling fact that some feet were found in pairs, raising questions about the likelihood of multiple accidental drownings. Yet another theory speculates on the possibility of a serial killer with a peculiar modus operandi. Proponents of this theory point to the geographical proximity and similarity in the state of decomposition among the feet as evidence of a single perpetrator. However, this theory remains highly controversial due to the lack of substantial evidence. An alternative theory suggests that the feet could be the remains of victims of the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. This theory hinges on the oceanic current's ability to transport debris across vast distances. However, the absence of similar findings on other coastlines casts doubt on this theory. Finally, there are those who attribute the feat to victims of the infamous Smuggler's Cove, a notoriously treacherous passage for drug traffickers. The theory suggests that failed smuggling attempts might result in casualties, their remains eventually washing ashore. Each theory presents a different piece of the puzzle, yet none provide a conclusive answer. It's a mystery that continues to baffle experts and captivate the public's imagination. Despite the numerous theories, a definitive answer remained elusive. The Salish Sea feat mystery remains, for now, an enigma wrapped in a riddle, shrouded in the fog of the unknown. Forensic science stepped in, hoping to shed light on this chilling mystery. Investigations into the Salish Sea feat phenomenon hinge on the delicate and precise discipline of forensic science. It's the task of these experts to unravel the story behind the feat, each one serving as a silent witness to the circumstances of their separation. Forensic anthropologists, in particular, play a key role. They study the human foot structure, seeking clues in the bones and any remaining tissue. Age, sex, stature, and ancestry can often be determined from a well-preserved foot. In several instances, these analyses led to the identification of the person to whom the foot belonged, providing closure to some families. Forensic podiatrists also contribute to the investigations. They specialize in the study of feet and footwear. By examining the shoes found with the feet, they can often determine how long the foot was in the water and any unique characteristics about the wearer. But perhaps the most intriguing analysis comes from the field of taphonomy, the study of how organisms decay and become fossilized. Taphonomists suggest that the feet separated naturally from bodies as they decomposed in the water, the buoyant, foam-soled shoes carrying them ashore. This theory, while unsettling, provides a plausible explanation for why feet and not other body parts have been discovered. However, despite these scientific insights, many questions remain. Why are only feet in sneakers found, and not those in other types of shoes? Why did the feet start appearing in 2007 and not before? Could ocean currents, temperature changes, or marine life play a part in this phenomenon? As the science delves deeper, it continues to grapple with the enigmatic nature of this mystery. Each foot found brings new data, but also new questions, creating a complex puzzle that is yet to be fully solved. Science had provided some answers, but the core mystery remained unsolved. Beyond the headlines, the Salish Sea feet had a profound impact on coastal communities. While the mystery captured the world's attention, for those living along the coastlines of the Salish Sea, it was much more than a chilling riddle. It was a stark reminder of the fragility of life and the strength of the human spirit in the face of adversity. The discoveries sent ripples through these communities, stirring emotions ranging from fear to empathy. The feet washing ashore weren't just objects of intrigue. They were human remains, each one connected to a story, a life, a person. The community rallied together, united in their commitment to uncover the identities of the fallen and provide closure to their families, a testament to the resilience and compassion inherent in human nature. Efforts to identify the individuals to whom the feet belonged were tireless. Forensic analysts, local authorities, and community members worked hand in hand, combing through missing persons reports, conducting DNA analyses, and reaching out to families of the missing. Each identified individual was a bittersweet victory, a moment of closure tinged with the sorrow of loss. The impact of these discoveries extended beyond the immediate community. It sparked a broader conversation about the value of life, the importance of community, and the role of science in solving mysteries that touch human lives. It led to increased awareness about the missing persons issue, prompting initiatives aimed at improving the tracking and resolution of such cases. The Salish Sea feet mystery is not merely a tale of detached curiosity. It is a testament to the human capacity for empathy, resilience, and determination. It is a reminder that behind every mystery there is a human story waiting to be told, a story that can inspire, move, and change us. The human element of this mystery added another layer of intrigue and sadness. It's a poignant reminder that in our quest for answers, we must never lose sight of the human impact, the lives touched, and the stories left behind. Over a decade has passed since the first discovery, yet the Salish Sea feet remain an enduring enigma. The mystery of the Salish Sea feet has left more than just footprints on the sands of time. It has seeped into the very fabric of the coastal communities that dot the Salish Sea, casting long shadows of intrigue and uncertainty. Life along these coastlines has been indelibly marked by this enigma. It's a tale that has been whispered in hushed tones, told and retold, each time with a shiver of fascination and a hint of fear. This enduring mystery has also left an indelible impact on the field of forensic science. The Salish Sea feet have become a peculiar case study, a baffling puzzle that continues to challenge the most seasoned forensic experts. Each new discovery is a stark reminder of the limits of our knowledge and the endless riddles that nature throws our way. The science behind the mystery has evolved, and yet the answers remain elusive, floating just out of reach. The Salish Sea feet phenomenon has become a symbol of the unfathomable mysteries that lie hidden in the depths of the natural world. It's a reminder that despite all our scientific advances, there are still secrets that the sea guards jealously, only revealing tantalizing glimpses to pique our curiosity and humble our arrogance. In the grand scheme of things, the Salish Sea feet are but a tiny ripple in the vast ocean of mysteries that the natural world harbors. Yet, they are a poignant reminder of the captivating and sometimes chilling power that nature wields. They serve as a testament to the fact that even in the face of the known, the unknown never ceases to fascinate, to intrigue, and to inspire a sense of awe and wonder. The Salish Sea feat, a mystery that continues to baffle and intrigue, reminding us of the captivating and sometimes chilling power of the natural world.